This is Dr. Linda Williams with a Family Moment. Constant fighting upsets the peace in our home. Our homes must be relaxed, a happy place to be. There'll always be difficult situations to deal with, but our goal should be to maintain peace and joy. Dr. James Dobson said one of the most important responsibilities is to establish an equitable system of justice and balance and power in the home. We all want things to be fair, and we all need to have some power and control. Children argue with their siblings. This is part of growing up and learning. But constant fighting is not okay. It upsets everyone in the home. We must establish some guidelines, expectations for our children to follow. Dr. Dobson offers great ideas. First, we speak with our child about the behavior. Decide that constant fighting will not be tolerated. It's okay to disagree, but your children need to have problem-solving tools, and we must model and teach and practice them. There must be consequence for constant fighting. The cost of fighting must be higher than the benefit of the fighting. We must be consistent and determined in order to end constant fighting in our home. There must be some guidelines in place. Neither child is ever allowed to make fun of the other in a destructive way. This is an inflexible rule, no exceptions. The older child is not allowed to tease the younger, and the younger is not allowed to harass the older. Explain what is acceptable during an argument and what is not. When you're arguing, you are never allowed to hit or spit or curse, destroy things, or say hurtful things. Encourage sharing. Praise children they are being kind to each other. This develops a sense of belonging. Encourage brothers and sisters to stick together no matter what. Positive, affirming statements will foster the good behavior. When arguing is not dealt with respectfully, parents need to speak to the child and not ask who started this, but rather ask the child to tell their own side of the story and ask them for one thing they can do to work it out. It's okay to be angry, but we must teach what to do when one is angry. We must intentionally teach our children ways to resolve difficult situations. These strategies will help create a happy, peaceful home.